You coming in except a few birds?
Tooradin traffic, Lima Sierra Papa is rolling and entering 04 Tooradin.
Tooradin traffic, Foxbat 7277, overhead the field at 2,000 feet, tracking for La Trobe. Tooradin traffic.
Moorabbin Tower, Lima Sierra Papa is Karam 1500 inbound with Quebec. Request Airways.
Lima Sierra Papa, Moorabbin Tower, join final runway 35 left.
Final runway 35 left, Lima Sierra Papa. Moorabbin Tower, Lima Sierra Papa. We're just crossing the coast now, 35 left.
Lima Sierra Papa.
Brakes, undercarriage is fixed, mixture rich, fast on, magnetos both, primer locked, fuel pump don't have, all good there, oil temperatures, pressures, hatches, harnesses.
Moorabbin Tower, Echo Oscar X-ray Cessna 172, received Quebec, Karen 1500 inbound.
Echo Oscar X-ray, Moorabbin Tower, join final runway 35 left.
Final 35 left, Echo Oscar X-ray.
Moorabbin Tower, Whiskey Kilo Delta is 6.7 miles to the northwest of Moorabbin at 1,800 with Quebec request first.
That must have been that plane behind
join
us.
close base, runway 35 left.
Whiskey Kilo Delta
So runway 35 left, Whiskey Kilo Delta.
is the big green monster.
The one at Karam.
Ah.
Are we almost there?
Almost there, mate. You're doing a fantastic job.
Lima Sierra Papa, clear to land.
Good lane, Lima Sierra Papa. I don't like that flap button.
You don't?
The graduation's just between second and third stage.
Yeah.
Not very definitive.
Whiskey Kilo Delta, your number one, keep the speed on. Traffic up to your left is a helicopter, beam the tower, mid downwind.
Looking for traffic, number 1, speedy as approach, Whiskey Kilo Delta.
Whiskey Kilo Delta is off to your left around your 9:30, 10 o'clock.
Looking for traffic, Whiskey Kilo Delta.
Kilo Oscar, traffic coming up on your left, your right there is the parachute aircraft joining on a close base, almost at 12 o'clock.
Tango Kilo Oscar.
No, mate. Good landing.
Moorabbin Tower, helicopter Papa, Hotel Juliet.
She likes coming home.
Yeah.
Inbound for the southern pad to Whiskey back.
Papa Juliet Tower, join final, southern pad, report final.
Joint final for the southern pad, Papa Hotel Juliet.
Whiskey Kilo Delta, clear to land.
Clear to land, Whiskey Kilo Delta.
Kilo Oscar, report on the ground.
Tango Kilo Oscar. Echo Oscar X-ray, 2 mile final.
Echo Oscar
Ready?
X-ray, your number